Hello, and welcome to GallatinShopper.com. We want to make shopping and browsing our town a snap for whatever you're looking for. We're always adding new businesses and services to make finding them as simple as logging on to GallatinShopper.com and seeing what's new in Gallatin. We also offer a quick reference to our local weather forecast, local items for sale on Craigslist, lottery results, job postings, yard sales, gas prices, a separate page dedicated to coupons, and a whole lot more. Gallatin Shopper is here to make our community and businesses as friendly and accessible as possible by being in one location and right at your fingertips when you want to know who to call. Want to know what's on at the movie theater? Need to send flowers? Need a locksmith? Do you need heating and air service? Then click on GallatinShopper.com, and there they are ready to assist you. Be sure to tell your friends and family to check out GallatinShopper.com, your hometown reference guide to great deals and easy access.